And this is part of a 2-block stretch of land, really in the earliest stages of development for downtown Fort Myers. You see it right here. This is a prime spot, just steps from the public library and the restaurants all along First Street. But in recent weeks, the questions are out there about whether artifacts or even Native American burial grounds are underneath this land. This week, the work is just starting to turn 2 open blocks into a high-end apartment complex in Fort Myers. Zimmer Development Company is set to build the First Street apartments, 275 units. ZDC paid $7 million for the land, and the city of Fort Myers is also giving the North Carolina-based developer $11 million in tax increment financing over the next 20 years. Here's the issue. Even as the work is starting, Zimmer Development has not made the findings public of an archaeological study from earlier this year. 2 weeks ago, Florida's Division of Historical Resources sent the city a letter saying the project must stop if any human remains are confirmed on the site. Also, this request coming on June 21st from an FAU archaeologist who lives in Fort Myers.
The reason why I'm here today is because I want to know what your response has been or the steps that will be taken to remedy this situation.
Fox 4 met with Fort Myers Mayor Kevin Anderson on Wednesday to see where it sits.
I have directed the city attorney to contact the attorney for the developer and request that we get copies of any reports they have from any surveying they did that would either say yes, there's an issue, or no, there's not.
We contacted Zimmer Development on Wednesday afternoon to see if there is a timetable to make the findings of the archaeological study at Commission public. We did not receive a response.
We as a city, we don't have the right until there is proof that that was a burial ground or there are artifacts or remains. We don't have the right to stop the project.
The mayor said the work will continue unless there is a discovery.
I wish that when they did their survey, they would have immediately provided it to the city. So there is some frustration. But again, it's not just on themselves. The state has not provided any documentation as to what knowledge they have of if there is anything buried there.
This is a plot of land that's been largely vacant for the past 5 years. Before that, First United Methodist Church was on that land. However, if the First Street Apartments project does go up, it will change the skyline of downtown Fort Myers. As the mayor notes, the work will continue unless these artifacts are confirmed.